Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can add or remove speak screen to the accessibility shortcut menu on the iPhone 15 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. Now from the home screen, tap on settings. Then in the settings page, scroll down and tap on accessibility. Next, we scroll down to the bottom and tap on accessibility shortcut. From here, scroll down, then tap on speak screen. This will allow you to remove or add speak screen to the accessibility shortcut menu. Now once it is selected, if you triple click on the side button, 1, 2, 3, you can see speak screen menu item will appear in the menu here. And that's it. So if you want to remove it from the menu, simply deselect it. Finally, you can swipe up to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.